Remote control lawn mower as a modern electrified agricultural and forestry equipment. Its machine structure is quite different from traditional farm machinery. To better utilize the machine's functions and improve work efficiency to help you solve the problem of weeding, please watch the startup tutorial video and follow strictly after receiving the machine. Check if the machine is damaged or not. If there is any damage, please contact customer service. Check if the screws are loose in each part. If so, use a tool to tighten the screw. The first step in starting the machine is to add fuel. The machine was not filled with fuel at factory. Add 92 gasoline before starting the machine. Don't fill it too much. Tighten the fuel tank cap after refueling. The second step is to add oil. Open the oil tank cap. Check the liquid level on the oil dipstick is between the highest and lowest marks. If the oil is not enough, use a funnel and hose to add oil. The type is gasoline. The amount of oil added is about 1 liter. Make sure the oil level must be between the highest and lowest of the gauge. After adding oil, tighten the oil tank cap. The third step is to add oil to the air filter. Remove the black cover and remove the black sponge. Add engine oil to the white oil bowl. The amount added is 2 to 3 millimeters. After adding the oil, put it back in order. The fourth step is to close the air valve. Turn on the fuel tank switch. Pull the throttle to half of the way. Fifth, turn on the power switch of the machine. Turn the key for about 3 seconds. The machine starts running. Open the choke. Adjust the throttle to max. Remote control operation steps. Turn on the remote. Press the power button for about 1 second. The prompt sound and display light up. The remote control is on. The left lever controls the forward and backward movement. Push forward to move forward. Pull backward to reverse. The right lever controls the machine's steering. Pull it to the left to turn left. Pull it to the right to turn right. Note that when the machine needs to turn, just toggle the direction lever to make the machine turn left or right. Don't turn while walking. When pulling the lever, increase the force slowly. Don't push it all the way. The button in the upper left is for speed adjustment. Pull it up to increase walking speed. Pull it down to slow down the machine. The upper right button is the cruise control setting button. During the machine's walking, press the cruise control setting button. The machine enter the cruise state and press the button again to exit the cruise control. After mowing is done, stop the machine from moving. Pull the throttle to the minimum position. Turn the key to the off position. Turn off the engine. Turn off the main power. Long press. Power in. Turn off the remote. Safety precautions. 1. Before mowing, make sure there are no stones or other hard objects to avoid throwing foreign objects causing injury. Second, operators are strictly prohibited to stand in front. Please stand on the left and right sides. Third, when mowing, no one is allowed. Watch within 30 meters. Never point the cutting head at people or animals. When someone is near, please stop the machine. Fourth, during the operation, do not touch the machine's belt and other parts. Fifth, if the grass head is entangled with grass or other objects, stopping the knife shaft from rotating, please turn off the engine. First, turn off the remote. Then clean shaft. Sixth, before or after mowing, check all parts of the machine if the screws are loose and whether the blade is intact. If there is damage or missing, please replace the blade to avoid machine damage.